Students, in the previous period, we have completed the Roman numerals up to 30. Yes, now today we will start from 31 onwards. Okay, first I will write the Hindu Arabic numeral, that is 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. Okay, now as you know that how we are going to find out the Roman numerals. So as I told you, it's a 2-digit number. You are going to expand this number in, or you are going to make the group of this number in tens and ones form. So if you are going to see this, now 3 tens and these are the 1. Yes, 1 1. So 3 tens means, are you going to write tens plus 10 plus 10 plus 1? Yes. So this, how you are going to expand it? Not like this, 30 plus 1. Here you are going to make the group of tens. So like 10 plus 10 plus 10 and plus 1. So this way you are going to expand this number. Now as you know that there is a symbol for 10. Which symbol we are using for 10? Yes, that is X. How many times you are going to write? 3 times. So write X 3 times, and for 1 which symbol we are using? I. So the answer is X X X I, that is 31. Now the next number is 32. Again how we are going to expand? 10 plus 10 plus 10. You are going to write 2? No, because there is no symbol for 2. So what you are going to write? The 2 also you are going to write like this, that is 1 plus 1. Now how many times X you are going to write? 3 times and 2 I. So the number is X X X I I. Now same way you are going to expand the number 33, that is 10 plus 10 plus 10 and 3 also how you are going to? That is 1 plus 1 plus 1. That means 3 times 10 you are going to write and 3 times 1 you are going to add. So that how you are going to represent? That is X, 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 I. Now the next number is 34. So this also how you are going to expand? This is 10, 10, 10. What about 4? You are going to add 4 times 1. Are you going to use I 4 times? No. This also you have already learned that we are not going to use X and I more than 3 times. So what you are going to do for 4? See, as you know that how you are going to find out the number 4, as 4 is the predecessor of 5. So what I told you, from 5 you are going to subtract 1 so that you will get the answer 4. So that how you are going to represent by using the Roman numerals? See, 5 minus 1. Correct? So for 5, which symbol we are using? X. Oh, sorry. For 5 we are using V. And for 1, which symbol we are using? I. But here, as I told you, we are doing the subtraction. So when you are doing the subtraction, that symbol, see that the smaller symbol, you are going to write the right side of the bigger symbol or left side of the bigger symbol? Yes, that you are going to write that smaller symbol to the left side of the bigger symbol. So now here this IV, which what is that for? We are using for 4. So like this, here what you are going to do it? Now you are going to see here 5 minus 1, and that you are going to represent, that is X, X, X and I, V. Like this you are going to represent the number 34. Now the next is 35. Yes, that is again 10 plus 10 plus 10, and for 5, yes, 5 there is a symbol, so we are going to write symbol for 5, that is V symbol. So how we are going to represent? X, X, X and V. So this is what? X, 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 V for 35. So this is up to number 35. Now let's see the next number, that is 36. Now again 36. What are you going to do it? 10 plus 10 plus 10. And what about 6? What are you going to do it? Yes, previously we have, see, 35. So if you are going to add 1 to 5, you will get the answer 6. So what are you going to do it? You are going to add 1 in number 5, so that you will get the answer 6. So here what you are going to do it? 5 plus 1, because we are using there is a symbol for 5, so we will write 5 over there. Now this, how you are going to represent? X, 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 5 plus 1. As here we are doing the addition. So when we are adding the smaller symbol to the bigger symbol, how we are going to represent? Right, the smaller symbol, we are going to write the right side of the bigger symbol. So first you write V and then you write the I. So what is that? X, 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 V, I is for 36. Now the next is 37. Again what is that? 10 plus 10 plus 10. Next 5 plus 1 and one more time we are going to add. So how we are going to represent? X plus X, X, V, I. This is for 37. Now the next we will see number 38. Again same, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, because we can add 3 times. So now that number, how we are going to represent? That is X, 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 as we are adding 1 3 times. So V, I. This is what for 38. Now the next number is 39. How we are going to represent this number 39? Like here also 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. Are you going to add 4 times 1 to get the number 9? No, because we are not going to use I more than 3 times. So what are you going to do it for 9? So for 9 also we have learned already that as 9 is the predecessor of 10. So when we are subtract 10, see that when we are subtract 1 from 10, we will get the answer 9. So for 10 we are using like this. See, for 9, what are you doing? 10 minus 1. Yes. So this how we are going to write? For 10 which symbol we are using? That is X. Minus 1 means what? I. How we are going to represent? As we are doing the subtraction, so how we are going to represent this number? Yes, that we are writing the smaller symbol first and then the bigger symbol. So for 9 we are writing the symbol, that is IX. So now how we are going to represent the number 39? That is X, X, X. 30 for 5, V, and for 9 and X. So this is for number 1. X, X, X and I, X. This is for number 39. Yes. Now students, in our book we are going to learn only the numbers. For 3rd standard we are going to learn only the Roman numerals up to 39. But now I will tell you how to form the number 40. Yes. As you know that, see, for 40 there is no symbol, or even we are not going to use X 4 times. So what you are going to do? How you are going to find the number 40? See that after 40, see next for yes, for V, for 5 V symbol is given, for 1 I symbol is given, yes, for 10 X symbol is given, and after 10 what is the next symbol? That is N. For 50 it is given, yes. Now, so how we are going to find out the numbers between 10 and 50, like after 39 and 50, what you are going to do? So, see that we will use the number 50. So, from 50, how much you are going to subtract so that you will get the answer 40? That is what 10. So, 50 minus 10, you will get the answer 40. So this you are going to be represent using using Roman numerals. Okay. So for 50 which symbol is there? N, and for 10 which symbol is there? That is X. So how you are going to represent the symbol? Are you going to write LX? No, because here we are doing the subtraction. So what you are going to do? When you are doing the subtraction, the smaller symbol you are going to write first, and then the bigger symbol. So here which is the smaller symbol? That is X, and which is the larger one? L, which we are using for 50. Yes. So what is the symbol for 40? That is XL. Yes. So this is what the Roman numeral for 40, that is XL. So students, see that XL, how we will get it? That is 50 minus 10. For 50 we are using L symbol, and for 10 X symbol. So as we are doing the subtraction, so that after doing the subtraction, how we are going to represent the number? That is XL. So like this you are going to, now students, here we completed the Roman numerals up to 40. Now what you are going to do it? In the textbook, Roman numerals up to 39 is given. Now after 39 there is some space over there. So in the textbook we are going to copy this number 40 with all this description. Okay, like how you will get the number 40. So that is 50 minus 10, L minus X, and then the XL. This you write down, this you copy down in your notebook, in the textbook, and after that you are going to write all the 1 to 40 Roman numerals or Hindu Arabic. Make the columns in one Hindu Arabic numeral, or second one is Roman numerals. Write all the numbers 40 in the notebook also. Okay. Now based on this Roman numerals, there is a let's evaluate in this lesson, page number 24. Now we will discuss, and you are going to do all these questions as a homework in the notebook. Now first question is, give 2 examples from daily life where you see Roman numerals. Now in the previous period only I told you, you must have seen these Roman numerals in the clocks, or where in the school where we are writing on the board, we are writing the standard. Yes. So like this you are going to write the 2 examples where you see the Roman numerals. Now the second question is, write the following in the Hindu Arabic numeral system. Now see that Roman numeral is given, and you have to write the Roman numerals in the Hindu Arabic numeral. Like see, this number is given, we have to convert that number into Hindu Arabic numeral. So all that you are going to write in the notebook. Now question number 3, write the following in the Roman numeral system. Hindu Arabic number is given, and that you are going to write in Roman numeral system. Next question number 4, draw the hour hand and the minute hand to show the time written in the box. Now 3 clocks are given, along with the time you have to draw the minute hand and hour hand to show the proper of the given time. The next one is question number 5, write true or false. Now first 2 we will do it, and remaining you are going to do it by your own. See, the first one is A. The Roman numeral for 25 is XXV. The Roman numeral for 25 is XXV. So, see that for 25. 20, how we are going to find out? That is 10 plus 10 plus 5. So, for 10 which symbol is there? X plus X plus V. So, what is that? XXV. Correct it is? Yes. So, what is the statement? The Roman numeral for 25 is XXV is true. Yes. Now, the second one is the Roman numeral XXVII represent the number 27. Find out whether it is true or false. The Roman numeral XXVII represent the number 27. Now just find out. See, what is the value of this X? 10 plus this 10 V5. How many times? 1 plus 1 plus 1. What is numbered? It's 20 plus 5, 25, and plus this 28. So whether it is correct or wrong? Yes, it's wrong. So students, like this you are going to write, find out the answer and write down whether that statement is true or false. Now, this is your homework from Let's Evaluate, which is given on page number 24. See that total 5 questions are there, but you are not going to write all. You are going to write question number 2, then 3 and 5. These 3 questions in the notebook. These 3 questions in the notebook. So, and as I told you, you are going to complete all 1 to 40 Roman numerals also in the notebook. So, now this is up to, now based on this Roman numeral system, students, I am going to give you one activity. So, be ready with your notebook and pencil and copy out that activity. So, students, this is your activity which is based on Roman numerals. Now, write the age of your friends from your building and prepare a chart with the help of mastics. Now, what you are going to do it? See, you are going to take any 4 or 5 friends from your building or whenever from the ground. See that, and you are going to make the list of the student or the friends, and what you are going to do? You are going to write their age, and that number you are going to represent in Roman numerals with the help of mastics. So for that, see, this activity you can do it in your notebook also. No need to bring the cardboard paper and all. So this activity you can do it in the notebook also. I will show you that how you are going to prepare this activity. Okay, see this. Now, this is what I have made. Yes, in the first column, you are going to write the name of your friends. In the second column, you are going to write their age. And in the third column, that number or their age you are going to represent using the Roman numerals. So this way you are going to make this activity and use the mastics and prepare it. And as I told you, there is no need to bring the card paper and all. If it is not there, you can do it this activity in the notebook also at the last page of your note. Yes. So this is what your activity.